Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by doing, not planning. Install Android Studio and JDK, then create a new Kotlin project so you can learn by building. Once created, make a single activity that shows text and a button, and run it on an emulator to confirm the toolchain works. While it compiles, study Kotlin functions and basic Android lifecycle methods so you understand why UI state changes. Make sure to commit your project to Git right away, so progress is tracked. Now deepen skills by building real features. Wire a recycler view to display remote data, then fetch that data with retrofit using coroutines so the UI stays responsive. Once done, persist items with room, define entities DAO, and a migration plan so users keep data across updates. Make sure to architect the app with separation of concerns. View model, repository, and dependency injection. This prevents spaghetti code and simplifies testing. Gradually add unit and instrumentation tests to lock behavior. Finish by polishing the production build, configure signing, enable minification, and set proper version code and version names so updates install cleanly. Once packaged, profile performance and reduce size by removing unused resources and enabling view binding to avoid reflection overhead. Then publish to internal track and monitor crashes. If something breaks, reproduce the bug, capture logcat output, and isolate the failing component with a DB and unit tests. If needed, roll back a release. Quick tip: bisect commits to find when behavior regressed, then fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.